Hey friends! Upgrading your memory is the fastest way to eliminate bottlenecks and add a brilliant, high-tech glow to your gaming rig. In this video, we're taking a look at the best DDR5 7200 MHz RGB RAM in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB series. This 64GB kit, featuring two 32GB modules, is a high-capacity powerhouse designed specifically for AMD-based systems. Rated at 6000 MHz with tight CL3096 timings at 1.40V, it provides the massive headroom needed for intensive 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and heavy multitasking. These non-ECC modules come pre-programmed with AMD EXPO profiles, making it incredibly simple to hit advertised speeds on X870 and B850 platforms. The sleek heat spreader design is topped with a vibrant RGB light bar that integrates seamlessly with most motherboard lighting software. For enthusiasts who need both high capacity and low latency without compromising on style, this matched kit is a top-tier choice for any modern AMD build. Next up, our second product, the G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB series. This 32GB kit is a versatile high-performance upgrade designed to thrive in both Intel and AMD gaming rigs. Rated for 6000 MHz with CL36 timings at 1.35V, these 2x16GB modules deliver the snappiness required for modern AAA titles and smooth content creation. It supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO overclocking, ensuring a hassle-free setup across a wide range of chipsets including the latest Z890 and X870 motherboards. The iconic Trident Z5 heat spreader design not only looks sharp but also provides excellent thermal management during long gaming sessions. With its wide compatibility and proven reliability, this kit is a go-to for builders looking for a dependable blend of speed, stability, and sleek RGB aesthetics. Coming in at number 3, the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR5. If you are looking for raw, blistering speed, this 32GB kit is the answer. Clocking in at an impressive 7200 MHz with CL34 timings, it delivers ultra-fast data transfer rates that push the limits of modern 700 and 800 series Intel chipsets. The striking 120-degree wide-angle RGB lighting on the Delta series offers a unique, stealth aircraft-inspired look that stands out in any case. Beyond the visuals, the high-quality ICs are screened for stability, ensuring that even at these extreme frequencies, your system remains rock-solid during demanding applications. It's an ideal choice for overclockers and PC enthusiasts who want to squeeze every last frame out of their high-end gaming hardware. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5. These modules are a masterclass in combining high-performance specs with sophisticated lighting control. Each stick features 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs under a panoramic light bar, offering vivid, customizable effects through Corsair's powerful ICUE software. A standout feature is the onboard voltage regulation, which allows for more precise and stable overclocking directly through the software rather than relying solely on the motherboard's BIOS. You can even create and save your own custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles to optimize performance for specific apps. Compatible with the latest Intel 800 series platforms, these modules provide a seamless blend of power and visual flair that can be synced across your entire Corsair ecosystem. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Royal Neo series. This is the crown jewel of memory kits, specifically tuned for high-end AMD platforms. This 32GB kit features ultra-low CL2896 timings at 1.40V, making it one of the most responsive 6000 MHz options on the market. The Royal designation refers to the stunning crystalline light bar and polished gold or silver heat spreaders that provide a luxury aesthetic unlike any other RAM. Beyond the jewelry-like finish, it is fully validated for the latest X870 and B850 motherboards and features AMD EXPO support for one-click optimization. It's the perfect upgrade for enthusiasts who refuse to compromise, offering elite-level performance and a level of visual sophistication that truly elevates a custom PC build. Thanks for watching Gear Extra. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Have any questions about the product? Drop them in the comments below, we'll be happy to help. Stay tuned for more top picks, right here on Gear Extra. See you in the next one.